Bonjour everyone! Welcome back to EzeeFrench, your go-to channel for learning French the easy and fun way. Today, we're diving into the top 100 French words you'll hear and use in everyday life. These are super practical words that will help you speak like a local, whether you're chatting with friends, ordering at a cafe, or navigating the streets of Paris. I'll say the French word first, then give you the English translation. There's a pause after each French word so you can repeat it, and a longer pause before the next word to give you time to practice. Ready? Let's get started. Grab a notebook and let's go. Bonjour. Hello. Salut. Hi. Au revoir. Goodbye. Merci. Thank you. S'il vous plaît. Please, formal. S'il te plaît. Please, informal. Oui. Yes. Non. No. Pardon. Sorry or excuse me. D'accord. Okay. Je. I. Tu. You, informal. Il. He. Elle. She. Nous. We. Vous. You, formal or plural. Ils. They, masculine. Elles. They, feminine. A. And. Mais. But. Ou. Or. Parce que. Because. Donc. So or therefore. C'est. It is. Il est. He is. Elle est. She is. On. One or we informal. Avoir. To have. Être. To be. Faire. To do or to make. Aller. To go. Venir. To come. Vouloir. To want. Pouvoir. To be able to or can. Devoir. To have to or must. Savoir. To know facts. Connaître. To know people or places. Parler. To speak. Écouter. To listen. Regarder. To watch or to look at. Manger. To eat. Boire. To drink. Dormir. To sleep. Travailler. To work. Vivre. To live. Aimer. To love or to like. Penser. To think. Comprendre. To understand. Demander. To ask. Répondre. To answer. Donner. To give. Prendre. To take. Acheter. To buy. Vendre. To sell. Payer. To pay. Maison. House. Appartement. Apartment. Chambre. Room. Cuisine. Kitchen. Salle de bain. Bathroom. Jardin. Garden. Voiture. Car. Vélo. Bicycle. bus, bus, train, train, avion, airplane, rue, street, ville, city, pays, country, eau, water, café, coffee, thé, tea, pain, bread, fromage, cheese, vin, wine, repas, meal, matin, morning, midi, noon, soir, evening, nuit, night, jour, day, semaine, week, mois, month, année, year, aujourd'hui, today, demain, tomorrow, hier, yesterday, maintenant, now, plus tard, later, toujours, always, parfois, sometimes, jamais, never, beaucoup, a lot or many, peu, few or little, tout, all or everything, rien, nothing, quelque chose, something, personne, person or nobody, ami, friend, male, amie, friend, female. Whew, that's 100 words. How are you doing? Feeling like a French pro yet? These words are the building blocks of everyday conversations, so practice them daily. Try using 5 new words each day in a sentence. For example, say, Je veux du café. I want some coffee. Easy, right? And that's it for our top 100 French words for everyday life. If you loved this list, like this video, subscribe to EzeeFrench, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Which word was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below and let me know if you want more lists like this, maybe adjectives or travel phrases next. Practice these words and you'll be speaking French like a native in no time. À bientôt! See you soon!